Hi! I'm here again. I'm going out na guys. It's time for me to going out. And then Miming is here. So we are relaxing here before I going out. And then the weather is so very hot. So good. Oh, it feels so good. As you can see guys. And then Miming feels relaxing. So it's time for me to go now guys. So guys, I'm going to out na. So here's si Miming. Where did you been? Our weather is very hot. As you can see guys. The sky is very blue. And then I'll go at that guys. So si Miming's there. Beside at the back. So guys. It's walking time ko na naman guys. And then very feel relaxing. Yes. So, that's the updates for today's video guys. At this moment, going out na ang sisi nyo. Have a nice day. Bye. Walking time. Here na po banda guys. Ayan. Feels so good. Naman tayo ang update natin. So, I need to walk na talaga guys. Kahit pa paano tayo dito guys. I need it. Hello! Saan kayo?
Ma'am,
Ano yan? Ha?
binibigay sana sa
Ano to?
office.
Ano meron?
5 p.m.
Ha? Ano to? Novena prayer. Where? NFR. October 15? Those interested is attending. Okay. Hi! Mag-market na po ng Inday. Kang init ate, ha? Tuwin ang kahirapan. Nag-awaw ang aso guys. Narinig nila, nagkanta ko dito. Yan, may aso pala doon guys. Sabi niya, magustuhin mo magdaan ka lang. Huwag ka na magpa-kanta-kanta dyan. Hindi naman namin nagustuhan yung boses mo. Kahit papano, di ba? So, ka na lang mag-ingay-ingay. Di ba? Lakad ka lang. Cute naman ang Dougie. Ayaw niya akong marinig magkanta. Oh guys, dito feel fresh. Ito dito banda. Yan. Enjoyin ang kahirapan. Gusto ko kantahin yung kanta na hindi ko makuha. Hindi ko lang mag-gets yung guys. Tuno ba guys? Yung tonada guys. Anyway, that's for today's vlog and for today's update. Thank you so much.